Having trouble with the failed to enumerate objects in the container error on Windows 11? In this video, I'll show you 2 quick fixes: changing ownership and adjusting permissions. Search CMD in Command Prompt window. Right-click on Command Prompt icon and run as administrator. Now copy and paste the commands given below in the Command Prompt window and execute the commands one by one. Make a right-click on the folder for which you are getting failed to enumerate objects in the container error while changing user permissions. From the right-click menu, select the Properties option. In the Folder Properties window that opens, go to the Security tab. When in Security tab, click on the Advanced option. This will open a new Advanced Security Settings window. Here, in the top section, right below the Name section, click on the Change option in the Owner section. In the next screen, you will need to enter your Windows account's username through which you log in. You can simply enter your username in the Enter the object name to select box. After you have selected the username and are back to the advanced screen, 2 new checkmark options will appear: Replace owner on subcontainers and objects, and Replace all child object permission entries with inheritable permission entries from this object, which I have shown in the screenshot below. Select both these options, then click on OK. Again, click on OK for the prompt, which just popped up. Now, again come to the Security tab. Click on Advanced. Now, click on Add. Now, click on Select a Principal. Now write Everyone and click on Check Names. Click on OK. Click on OK to exit the screen. If it doesn't work, do one more thing and try. Go to the Security tab again. Click on Administrators from the list and select it. Now, click on Edit. Now, click on Administrators from the list again. Now, check all deny permissions. Click on Apply and OK. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.